Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be tying this subframe to the subframe connector, and we're going to do something a little better to tie this subframe connector to the rear subframe. Something a little better than just that one bolt. That's what we're up to in this episode. Okay, so I went to Speed World and I made up these, because I have a plasma cutter there. So I made up these pieces. So what's going to happen is this piece is going to get welded in there like that. And then this piece is going to get welded there like that. See how nicely that fits? And these little pieces will, it's still hot. They'll come in there and they'll seal that all up. And solidly join this part to that part, because I really think that there's just going to be too much of a flex going on right here, because the only thing holding it down is this bolt. So I want to make that all one piece, and I'm going to do some reinforcement at the back as well to make that all stronger. Okay, there you can see it's all boxed in now, and that is permanently joined to that. It's all boxed in nice and strong, both sides. And added bonus, I got a steering linkage in there now. We got a working steering rack. Yep, how's that look? Anyways, yeah, so now I got to figure out what the next step is. I still am not entirely convinced that any effort I put into tying this more into this is going to benefit. I don't know. It's the law of diminishing returns. I just, because I have, this whole thing is tied into the roll bar, which is, I don't know. I gotta think about this. All right, so I put the radiator support and the front fenders and valence and all that stuff. Doors. Put everything on the car just to sort of get an idea of what I'm dealing with for fit and finish. Yeah, see this? This is not the fender that's going to be on the car. This is one of the damaged ones that they sent us a replacement. That's actually, the replacement had a dent in it too, so they sent us a third one. So I actually have 3 of this side of fender. So 2 damaged ones and 1 good one. I definitely need to work on door gaps and all that stuff, but I just threw the doors on there. I didn't actually try to fit anything. So this is what it is, but I need a little bit of inspiration of what I'm doing. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Once we get all those gaps good and the fitment of the hideaway headlights and the grill, I don't know how that grill's supposed to go in there. The holes don't line up across the top, and I think it's because this is a non-RS piece right here, and I think that the holes are different than the RS. So I'm gonna have to get another one of those. Yeah, I'm not sure how that all fits yet, but anyways. That's it for this episode. Thanks for following along. Please like and subscribe, and help the algorithm find these videos.